Imagine walking into a new job with no direction, no understanding of your role or the company culture. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? That's where onboarding comes in, a crucial process of seamlessly integrating new hires into your company, helping them understand their role, grasp the company culture, and gear up for their tasks. Today, we bring you 5 onboarding tips so that you can do it the right way. Tip number 1. Plan ahead. Kickstart the onboarding process even before the new hire sets foot in the office. Send the necessary paperwork in advance, giving you more room to provide a warm welcome and less time fumbling with forms. But remember, everyone is unique, like snowflakes. And that brings us to tip number 2. Personalize the onboarding process. With unique roles come unique requirements and individual learning styles. A personalized approach can make your new hire feel special and help them hit the ground running. And new environments can be daunting. So how about a friendly face to guide our new hires? And so, tip number 3. Assign a buddy. This buddy, a colleague or peer, can assist in navigating the initial days, making the new hire feel part of the family. You don't want them to feel confused. And confusion can be the enemy of productivity. Therefore, tip number 4. Set clear expectations. Make sure your new hire knows their role, their reporting manager, and the performance metrics they'll be gauged on. Clear communication up front can ward off confusion and stress. And finally, remember, onboarding isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Which brings us to tip number 5. Be consistent. Just like a marathon, you need to keep going, maintaining a consistent pace. Onboarding isn't just an orientation day, a week, or even a month. It's an ongoing process that requires regular check-ins and feedback sessions. You want to make sure your new hire isn't just surviving, but thriving. So there you have it. 5 actionable tips to make your employee onboarding process smoother and more effective. Remember, a well-thought-out onboarding program can significantly reduce employee turnover and boost productivity. It's not just about filling a position. It's about nurturing a long-term, mutually beneficial relationship with your new hire. If you want to learn more about onboarding, don't forget to check our other video where we cover more important aspects to consider when onboarding new employees. You can also read our in-depth article about onboarding in our blog at smowltech.net. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smowl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity under digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into onboarding new employees. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.